Welcome back. Today, we're going to be diving into a couple advanced features within the Workflow Secret dashboards. If you don't yet have access, but you finished all of the tutorials down to this moment, feel free and reach out, help@workflowsecrets.info, and we'd be more than happy to ensure that your account has access. Otherwise, let's go ahead, pull up those Workflow Secret dashboards, and we're going to dive in it together. Now that we have full editing access in our Workflow Secret dashboards, let's take a look at the Share drop-down menu. Before we get started, though, I would encourage you to remember that with great power comes great responsibility. So it's prudent that you understand how each of these features can affect your dashboard so that you don't air out your dashboard when critical data is needed the most. To access our Shared dashboard option, all we need to do is navigate to the top right-hand side, clicking on that share and using the drop-down icon to locate all of the different options. Moving along, let's take a look at the Get Report link. The Get Report link is very similar to the Invite People to the dashboard link, however, gives you a clean URL that you're able to share with either members of a transaction or members of your team so that they can see the specific dashboard that you're seeking to share. From the Get Report link, all you have to do is hit the copy link and send it their way, and you're ready to go. Thanks again for tuning in to today's training. We hope you had a really great lesson. And if you have any questions at all, feel free and reach out, help@workflowsecrets.info, and our team would be more than happy to help get you squared away. Otherwise, you've got some more lessons to cover, so go ahead and scroll on down and get those started. But we'll see you there.